Good day, everyone. Today we'll be doing the video guide on how to install SPSS. So far, we've installed WinRAR, and today we'll be going with SPSS. So we'll be showing how to install SPSS on our system, IBM SPSS. So let's go. What's SPSS? What is SPSS? So let's check it out. So what we have documented, SPSS is statistical package for social science, which is a powerful tool also. Just like we said, WinRAR is a powerful tool for all our PC, and we have uploaded the video for WinRAR, and today we'll be doing for SPSS too. So it's a powerful tool, user-friendly software suited for data management, statistical analysis, and other features that it entails. So we have the key features and use of SPSS, data analysis and modeling. As we have said, if you are a data analyst, data scientist, or data research, or you are a data collector, you are advised to use SPSS as one of your package that you'll be using. Today we'll be going on how to install SPSS. So let's go to the file. Now we already uploaded the file for your own for the file that you download. You have access to the file. We already uploaded it to our Google Drive, so we'll be dropping the link in the description so you can check it out in the description. And this is how to install SPSS. When you download the file and it comes to your own download, in your own PC. So you click on, or you have access to someone that have the file and you collect the file from someone else. Just get it to maybe anywhere it is, you can get access to it on your system. Now when you right click on the file, you extract the file. We are able to extract the file because we have WinRAR on our system and the password is still the same, 123. So let me show the file. Password is 123 when you are extract the file because you have WinRAR on our system. So that's what makes us, because the file is already encrypted and it is not large. So now we are done with extracting the file. What next to do is to go to the file. You click on the file, not right clicking again. You just click on the file. Now here is the file. The first thing to do when you get into the file is to click on the SPSS statistics client, the file for this. You right click on it. Okay, here is the file. You right click on it and run as administrator. Fully installed. You click on finish. Let's see, still loading. So now the file is already, it has the extraction is done. So you need to continue from here. You click on next. So here, just check the notice that they send the license information. You can read it if you want, so we don't need to read it. So since you are installing already, so you click on I accept the term in the license and agreement and click on next. You see it is showing the destination of the file after your installation, so click on next. So you can read it if you want. So you click on install. So the installation is going on right now. The first thing that is done is just the extraction of the file. Now is installing the file into the PC directly. So the installation is done. So you click on this start. So we are not starting as when you install. You don't need to start it because we still need to do some steps before we click on finish. So the SPSS is now installed. Here is it. It will show on your desktop. When it shows on your desktop, so you just need to go back to the file that you are using to install the SPSS. You click on crack. When you click on crack, just click on readme to check the steps that is in there too. Maybe you are following it properly. So now they said install app. Now we already installed. Copy JRE file this from this um from this file and install it in the file location of the program. So let's go with that. So that's the second step that we are going with. So the last step we are still waiting. So let's go with we have done the first step, that's install app, and the second step is copy JR file from this file from this from this file from this file. And so let's go with that. We go back to the file. Okay, we click on it. They said we should copy the JRE file from this is how you go there. This is the folder of the file that they said we should copy from. You click on the file folder and you see JRE file. You right click and you copy. Don't cut, you copy. Now we already copy, and you go back to the window and click on you right click on the file. You click on open file location. Now we open the file location and we paste in there. You control V, that's paste. You paste in there. So you're already pasting the replace the file in the destination. Continue. So we already copy and paste the first file into the app file location. So let's go. We go back to the folder that we are using to install. So here is it. The second thing, that let's go to the readme that we just opened. The second thing to copy, after we copy the JRE file, we copy the file and paste it to the same location that we just paste in there. So let's go with that too. So there, here is it. The second file is in the crack folder. So you click on the file and you right click on the file that they say we should copy. You right click and copy. Now we copy. We are moving to say the same location, or you check whether the file is open. The file is already open, but if you are still confusing, you can just go back as we done for the second step. You right click and you open file location as well. Here is it, and you open it and paste in there. So replace the file in the destination. Continue. Now we are done with the installation because we already copied and paste the crack file that we said we should install. Now we are good to go with our SPSS. Let's go and check. So we are good to go. We can open the SPSS now to confirm whether it's working fine. So okay, it's now loading to the interface. So we click on new data. The interface of the SPSS loads successfully. So now I want to confirm if the SPSS that we have installed is the valid and correct one. So let's maximize. We already maximize, and you just need to go to help. And you go to help, you go to about. So it loads another new interface which display IBM SPSS statistics version 27. So it display that this version is the correct version. So it's okay and healthy. So you're good to go with this. You install with this process and you download from the link that we drop in the description. So where we have it leads to our Google Drive link that we always drop the file that you need to download from. So we'll be dropping all the files for each video that we upload. So thank you for watching. Like and comment, drop your opinion in the comment section, and if you have any other software you want us to help you do tutorial on how to install them, you can drop it in the comment section, so we add it to the list of the software we are uploading our tutorial on. So thanks for watching. See you some other time.